Welcome to the installation video for the Fortress Al13 HOME traditional railing system for stair applications. In the next few minutes, you'll learn techniques and best practices for this Fortress railing system specific to stair installation. The Al13 HOME traditional railing system is offered in 3 top rail applications, including round and flat accent top rails, and a drink rail option. First, you'll need some tools. We recommend a miter saw with a fine-tooth carbide tip blade, as well as a 5/16" nut driver bit. And don't forget eye protection and other safety equipment. Be sure to always check your local building codes before installing Fortress railing. The Al13 HOME traditional railing system offers a variety of installation options. Visit our website for photos and inspiration. Let's get started on installing Al13 HOME traditional railing for stair applications. Posts for stair configurations are taller than posts for level configurations to ensure maximum slope flexibility. Place a wood 2x4 on the nose of the stair steps next to the posts. The 2x4 must be positioned with the 4-inch side resting on the nose of the stair steps. You're ready for brackets, and our simplified stair brackets allow for uniform cutting to reduce install time and eliminate the need for uneven top and bottom rail trimming. Identify the 4 brackets, labeled LT, ST, LB, and SB, by the letters stamped on each part. We'll begin with the 2 bottom rail brackets, LB and SB. Place each bracket on top of the 2x4 and flat against the post. Mark the top edge of the bracket with a pencil. Next, disassemble the bracket by removing the barrel and screw. Place the bracket base on the top edge mark. Center the base on the post and mark the 2 screw hole locations. Pre-drill the bracket holes with a 3/16" drill bit. Use T25 screws to attach the base of the bracket to the post. Begin with the bottom hole. Reassemble the bracket by inserting and tightening the barrel and screw to the bracket. Repeat these steps for the bottom post. Next, you'll install the top brackets, LT and ST. Position the 2x4 underneath the bottom brackets. Fully rake and place the panel next to posts on top of the 2x4. Ensure the panel is straight and the pickets are parallel to the posts. Then clamp the panel to the posts. Install the top brackets, ensuring the inside bottom of the bracket is flush with the bottom of the rail. Measure the spacing from the inside edge of the post to the baluster. Spacing cannot exceed 4 inches on each end. Use a speed square to mark the back of the bracket opening so you know where to cut the panel. Cut the panel to size. Clean and paint the ends. Attach the panel using 1 T25 screw that came with the brackets. Be sure to attach the screws on the same side for all the panels. Next, install the eye support by snapping the rail insert up into the bottom rail. Position the eye support in the middle of the panel. Unscrew the base until it reaches the stair surface. Attach the eye support to the deck surface by pre-drilling with a 1/16" drill bit and driving the supplied screw into the hole. Then install the bracket caps and post base covers. You are now ready to install the accent top rail. Use an angle finder to measure the angle of your cuts. After cutting the angles, the accent top rails can be installed following the same steps as the level accent top rail installation. Complete your installation with Al13 HOME post caps or Fortress Accents post caps that will support Fortress Accents lighting products. Use a rubber mallet as needed. Your Fortress Al13 HOME traditional railing for stair applications is now complete.